In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Gear 4 in King Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get Gear 4, first you will have to complete a prerequisite. Make sure that you have a million belly and you are level 1000, along with having the Gomu Gomu no Mi. So if you don't have Gomu Gomu no Mi, you will be able to acquire it through various different means. The main one being the black market, and in here you will be able to browse through various different legacy fruits. So as long as you acquire Gomu Gomu no Mi, you will be able to get this process started. So buy the rubber fruit if you don't have it already, and go through the process of leveling it up. Now, once you have the million belly and level 1000 plus Gomu Gomu no Mi ready, all that you have to do is first head to War Island and go into the spawn. In there, you will find the beauty girl, where you will be able to speak to her. She will give you a quest saying for you to find Redbird. Now, go to the Sky Island, where you must find Redbird and speak to him. He is going to be located behind the Shandas on the first part of Sky Island. Next, for step 3, you will need to find the white man and pay him 1 million belly. He is going to be found within the Sand Island in a hidden spot, located in the second pillar in front of the palace on the left. So, once you go over to this specific pillar, you will have to walk around the pillar until you fall down, and finally, you will find the white man. Pay him 1 million belly, and you will be able to acquire Gear 4. So you will have all the abilities ready to use, including Fourth, Pistol, Blaze Python, Reptile Strike, Ultra Glide, and you will be able to use the fruit as long as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Gear 4 in King Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.